Hello everyone, my name is Ruan and welcome back to week 11 of Learning Computer Science in 2 years. So for this week, I actually did very well with my timesheet, I would say, at least for my standards. I got 27.5 hours worth of studying in this week. I had a bit of a wobble on Wednesday. I had some work-related issues, so I just got stuck on that day, and unfortunately, I didn't make up for it on any of the other days. I tried to. I mean, I didn't lose out completely, but, you know, I'm still short a couple of hours. But in the grand scheme of things, this is a pretty good week, so I'm happy. So, let me give you some feedback on what actually happened during this week. Okay, first of all, programming languages, part C. I'm kind of done, right? So I did everything up to the very, very last final exam. For that exam, I attempted it the first time, got 70%, which is good, I guess, in a lot of circumstances, but it's not a pass. So I'm going to have to try it again. Now, unfortunately, you can only try this once every 22 hours or something. So yeah, I didn't try it again the next day. I decided to work on my project instead. And then obviously I don't do programming over the weekends normally. So on Monday, I'll do my second attempt and probably, hopefully pass. And then that's it. Then I'm done with programming languages. And I must say, I've enjoyed programming languages quite a lot. They were really good problem sets, good challenges, and very satisfying questions, etc. Like especially the parts where you had to build your own programming language. That was very nice. That's the type of programming I like to do, or at least a type of challenge I like to see in these programming courses. So apart from that, we'll see how the next course goes. It looks a lot shorter, right? So it only gives me 16 hours, which is the shortest course that we've had up to now. So we'll see what that means. Maybe it's actually probably much less than 16. I have a feeling this is going to be a flyby. But we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's a good one. Then what actually happened with my project this week, I focused on the next feature this week. So the next feature for me was the Google Maps API integration into the website, right? So I've explained previously that I wanted something that can calculate the distance from, where the business is to what your address is, so that we can calculate how much to charge for deliveries while you are actually doing the booking, so that you can get an idea of what it will cost for a delivery. Because otherwise people make a booking, they think, I don't know, we deliver for free or something, and then when they actually get their invoice, they're like, oh wow, that's expensive, and then they cancel the booking or something like that. And we don't really want that to happen, because it's a lot of additional admin and wasted time and effort. So this will definitely help quite a bit. I'm about, let's say 70% there. So I'm not going to show you anything today. Let's just say that I should be able to finish this feature by next week. And then I'll give you a small little demo of what it actually looks like now. Then for calculus, so calculus went very well this week. I got a full 9.5 hours in over the weekend. I was really getting into it, and I kind of enjoyed it, I must say. I like calculus for some reason. Anyway, I think I'm just past halfway through the second unit, and there's only 4 units, so yeah, I'm kind of going very quick. So it'll probably also be 1A, where I finish the course work very quickly, like under, the 30-hour mark or something like that, and then I'll spend another 20 or so hours just on doing more problem sets and working through, exams and test papers, etc., just to really hone my calculus skills, and in this case integration, right? One thing I did notice is that it's really not nice having to do something every single day. That's kind of why I took a break last week, because it just gets a bit much. So I'm thinking, in the spirit of sustainability, maybe it's not such a bad idea to actually just take a day off every week. I'm going to try that, but I don't want to compromise on the amount of hours that I actually work. So my thoughts are to do a little bit extra every day and potentially have a day off on the weekend. It's probably going to be Sunday, but I could make it either or, right? Depending on how my weekend shakes out. I could work the Sunday and not the Saturday, or vice versa. That's my plan. That's my attempt for the coming week. I'm going to try it and then come back next week for the feedback and I'll let you know how it goes. That's it. Yeah, a nice short, concise feedback. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you are also learning computer science and that you are finding it challenging and fulfilling, interesting and fun even. And like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.